Retired Air Marshal Muchena si 10 point response to Cap 3. Zarabira Mash kwa mudanyu kwa pangwa ine atukona kuti retired General Muchena ari the leader wema retired generals pamwe chete nemamwe serving generals maho veterans and all lieutenants who are against our constitutional amendments. Oya nema points au aruya pangwa ine as a response to my constitutional amendments. Zarabira Mash kwa mudanyu kwa pangwa ino to subscribe or click on the bell icon. Last week, retired Air Marshal Henry called upon Zimbabweans to rise and overturn Constitutional Amendment 3. The following are 10 key points in the statement. Number 1, the 2018 Constitution will not be surrendered to fear. Number 2, we must now organize, mobilize, resist, and reject. Number 3, we will not flinch and we will not break the law to save our Constitution. Number 4, Constitutional Amendment 3 offends the spirit of the liberation struggle. It is vulgar. Number 5, the Constitution belongs to the people, does not belong to a president. Number 6, elected MPs, senators who used people's mandates to betray the people will be judged harshly. Number 7, we do not spend our careers defending this nation's constitution to watch a cabal mutilating it. Number 8, Constitutional Amendment 3 is exactly the same as Ian Smith's UDI, Unilateral Declaration of Independence. Number 9, Constitutional Amendment 3 is a project of a cabal of unelectable people. Number 10, Constitutional Amendment 3 is a decree. Thomas Kwanumdani kupangwa ino na retired Air Marshal Muchena pangwa ino wachisa stop to these constitutional amendments wachiti aiwa anongofulfilla my wishes a select few but the majority pangwa ine vachiremaina vari aligned. Kana comment section medu zofungura any more to leave pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kana comment section medu subscribe or like wachinotaura the bell icon.